press the button. 2 seconds. Okay, now the lock is resetted. It is in factory state now. So the first card brushed will become the manager card. Okay, now this card is manager card. Okay, let's find a second card. Not working. So how to end this card? Brush the manager card first, and then brush this card. Okay, and now brush the manager card again. So now let's test this card. This card is already ended inside the lock. Open. You can hear though. You can hear. It's open. Brush the card here. Yes. So this card ended successfully.